design yet, I will give them to wear like a Halos SS around the cuticles. Okay, you're gonna wear this for a few weeks. Let me know how you like it, and then we can go from there. When they come back, oh my god, I like it a lot, and then they last. So what other designs that I can have? I say, okay, now here's that we're gonna be in the game. They want to show them the swatch that you are going to swatch it for them, and then you can able to offer a lot of more. So like the client's like, oh, I like this one so much, can I have this shape? And say sure. And then you can able to offer them like, would you like to get like a $10 of your additionals on the crystals designs, or would you like to have of like it $15, $20? So they're gonna give you the price range, or you have the swatch at the price range and ready for them. You can able to offer them with a lot of different designs that you are going to. I love this. Want to do this one like this too. The clients are asking for this. And then I'm gonna add this on. I'm not sure you can see it from the camera.
Yes.
One design. Let me see if I can put it in here. Let me put it here. Can you see it from here? Yes or no?
Yes.
Or maybe I should move this one on the size.
No, that's fine. Leave it there.
So then I can do... Why? It's so annoying. Sorry. It's another phone. It's like, what was in the crystal war right now? Is it? It's the notification. And the perfect chart. And there are so many. This is a couple of the simple ones that I would love to share with you, but there are so many different ways when you're adding your beads and your frame as well. So that's why I'm talking about, remember that I was saying earlier, I mix all my AB. If you like to be like have your own AB in a different shape, you don't have to get them all in one slot. I love to have mine in the same slot because I feel like I have access into everything I need. However, everybody different, so you are gonna find the way you like it. Some people are gonna drive them crazy. Oh my gosh, I can't find the size that I want. If you're like really of OCDs about your crystal, you can do that. You can place them totally in a different tray. So I'm gonna get the SS like the mirrors, and then I'm getting SS of the I believe it SS12. It's great that you can do SS12s and SS10. This one is a good one. I love the look of this. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. I'm gonna do some designs for you. You see that how super easy in it. And then the reason that I want is the SS to be in the tray, because I can pick the smaller, bigger. However, like if you put the smaller one, it's, oh, I don't like the smaller one, and then you can pick the bigger one. And as I say, after you do like 2 times of your designs, or playing with your crystal kit when you have it open like this, give you so much idea, like so many ideas of, you know, like crystal designs, and you're gonna start getting master of it by just to look at your crystal kit. So I'm gonna cut some of frame. So now if you want the frame on, you can. If you do not want, absolutely, it looks great, you know. I'm gonna just cut some of them here in the on the sides. I'm gonna show a possibility of a lot of different way that you can do. In the meantime, I'm gonna add some of the designs right here. This one. And then continue doing. So now a lot of you were asking question, how do you start? And first, how do you able to know how to start it with the crystal? Like, how do you start with the designs? I mean, that's the reason why Glitz have this crystal kit with the main centerpiece, so then you would not get confused yourself or overwhelmed with everything you see. So every single shape you pick, like you see that if you pay attention when I'm doing it, I pick the centerpiece, whatever you like or whatever clients point out, like Nancy, I like this one. You say, okay, so you're gonna place it right here, and then you give the client's idea if they want to get into their like if they want to get in, for instance, if they want to get right in the middle of the nails or right in the cuticles of nails, or they want to have it like have a, you know, angle looks. So they want to give you some idea, and then you can start with that first, and then if they say, oh, I want right in the middle of the nails, say great. So then you can start in the middle of the nails. If they don't want to, you can start it like, or you say that do whatever you think is good, then you can able to place in wherever that you would like to. You can do it in the middle of the nails, you can do it right in the centers of the nails, you can do it in the cuticles area, and then you can start from, and however that it works the best for you and your clients. I'm gonna
Yes,
place
so
in.
this one is the exclusive crystal kit AB number 2, yes?
Number 1.
Number 1. And right now, if you get into our Black Friday early access on our email list, you can get this one, and you get another one absolutely for free.
No, it's not another one. I mean, there's not duplicate.
Not like the same one, yes.
You get the sister kits. Later, you're gonna see me unboxing. You're gonna be so wow when you have this 2 kit. You get, I promise, you get everything you need for your crystal placement. And this kit, this 2 bestie, will last you for years to come. So you are set on your inventory with the really good quality crystal design. When you bring this like whole tray in front of clients, they're going, ah! I have so many reactions like that with my clients, like, oh my gosh. And they're not allowed to touch it because this is my kit, I can touch. But I don't let the client touch in my crystal because I don't want to have a residue of their oil on their fingers. It's gonna make it's like dough and get the little bit residues on the top of my crystals. That's why I pick it with my crystal pickers. So I just show them, like I even like open it. I said you can look but don't touch, please. And then they will just look and say, oh, I want this. You can point out what shape you want me to do for you, but please do not touch, because just you don't want 10 clients, 20 clients to touch all the oil on there. It's gonna destroy your sparkle. Well, it's not going to destroy, but it's look dull. So then next time you show the clients is their oil from a natural's, like, you know, fingers. Their natural oils come from their fingers, so it's gonna dulling your crystal. So you bring it like this and said, okay, which one would you like Miss A, Miss B, Miss C, which one would you like? And she was like, I would like this design. I love it. So gorgeous, so big, and so statement. And I said, okay, great, I got you. And then you have any other preference, like you want me to do a centerpiece with AB, or you want me to do it with the colors. So like, oh, I want all baby. I said, great. It's like, if they want some colors on it, we got you. Because then you have some of this is crystal AB. I mean, the color mixing is here. So then that way you can able to create a centerpiece in the AB and also the colors of the filler as well. So let's doing it in the next one. And then we'll do the next one. I'm so excited. This is my favorite one, Cheeky Heart. It just it's melt my heart when I working with this crystal kids. Bring me back to so many a memory with so many glitz babe that it been so successful seeing the day once we are sharing with all the crystals designs. So many of you are making so much extra money. For a lot of nail tech who thinking of to become a nail tech, it is definitely is mark of like your career is to the next level. So I'm gonna go ahead and then keep in mind, if you want any of frame, like remember that we have a beads and the silver and the gold beads here, you can fill them in between where you are going to fill it in. You can fill right in between your crystals. Everything's in between your crystal. You can fill in your beads in there. That beads gonna make it look so nice, and it make it looks like you are finishing with your jewelry pieces. Some clients love it. Some clients like, oh, I don't care for that beads. I want something else. Sure. You know, you get it. Whatever you would like. And then I'm going to add some more. That's the reason why I love all the SS, smaller, bigger. So you see that what I mean, I pour it in the tray. But again, it's really depends. Some people just don't want it. Some people is getting really frustrated and they don't want to mix it. Do whatever, however it makes you happy and it works the best for you. You can put in the tray like me, like this, whole tray. You can put it into to your different, every single tray to different like sizes. And a lot of Glitz babe, you know, bought additionals of the glitz jars here, and they put it on every single of them. However you want, you can do it and then place it in here though. This is fit in there. So let me rip this off, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah, nobody can see it.
Oh, nobody can see it?
No, don't worry about it. So
oh,
just,
so here I rip it off and I put it in here. You see what I mean? So, but however it work for you, I just want to show you. I just take this off. Never have too many beads, and it's perfect. All right, so let me moving on the next one. Oh, I like that one so much though. I also like this one a lot. This one, the diamond. The sparkle, the cut of the crystal, it's just everything. So this work with the shorter nails, longer nails. I'm gonna add some of this on. You know what? I'm thinking I'm gonna add some of this. Is like really easy when you're doing it on the nails. This is like SS3. It's stick onto my picker. But when you are doing it with the crystal Trifecta, you have your condensed glue gels and the wet top coat. It will suck your crystal in like bam, one place. This is the, we have the plates. We didn't have the condensed glue gel yet, so they are like really slippery on this. All right. And then one more design. Oh my gosh, I love this looks. Maybe I should do this one. This one is cute though. This is like a brown diamond. And then you can flip and you can turn or design yours crystals however you would like. I just like wonder how I'm gonna do this one. It's so cute. The bigger frame. There you go. And then I'm gonna add some SSAB. Can you see me still?
Yes.
There you go.
Look like a trophy.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Right on. Whatever you're imagining it. Looks so cool. And then you can either you're doing it like this on a place, or you can do it some of the sample swatch on the clients on your swatch and displays it in your station, so the clients can have an idea. It's like they can see it in person instead of just like, can I get the swatch in the person instead of just seeing. Okay, maybe one more right here. You can do it swatch in person if you want to do that for your clients, or you can do it is like on the plates like this and take a picture of it. But then when you have this one on the 90 like this, clients love it because they will give it like them imaginate of like, oh, I like this, I like this, I like this, you know, say, oh, I like this design, oh, I like this design, so they get an idea of what they are going to get. You can do a picture as well. And this is a diamond right there. And here is the sharp. I like that one too. I want to use this one.